So this is running at 300 millimeters a second on internal walls, 200 millimeters a second on external walls. When I slowed down my outer walls to 100, but I left my inner walls at 250. This one I kind of split the difference. I went 150 on the outer walls. This is 150 by 300 in PETG this time. So I was trying to see if there'd be a huge difference between going these different speeds on the outer walls. So top number is outer wall, bottom number is inner wall. So I start out at 200, 300, and I mean, it's okay. You know, but you can see some ghosting there, and the lines aren't that bad. And this is PETG at the bottom. The red is PETG, orange is PLA. And ironically, this is bamboo PLA. And you can see the lines on there. It's okay. It's not great. So then I slowed it down some. Kept my inner walls going. My outer walls I slowed down, and it got better. Got a lot better. And of course, if you slow down even more, you can really see the biggest difference. Now, one of the things, so really I thought 100 on outer walls, 250 inner walls was a nice number, and probably 100 or 200 would be a lot nicer overall. Now, one of the things I wanted to test was, this is regular PETG, and this red shows everything. This is high-speed PETG from Elegoo, and it is not that impressive, actually. It's actually just as bad as, this is 3D Hojor. Oop, I'll get the same orientation here. And actually, in some cases, if you look at these corners here versus this corner here, they're the same. There's no improvement going to the rapid PETG. At least I'm not seeing any. Same exact settings. All I did is change the filament out. Oh, there's a little. That's nice. Now I'd run this test on the other nozzle. This is on the bamboo nozzle in the Sovol SV08, which I've now named Half Breed. And I was getting the same results. So I'm not. That's also why I did this test, to see if it got any worse with the bamboo nozzle, and I'm not seeing really any difference. Of course, there's this one. This one's impressive because the hinge still works. I was thinking about keeping this. But yeah, there's some information for you. Don't know if it helps anybody, but it's information.